In this video, I will show you how much Tom Pemberton Farm Life makes money on YouTube 2023. Let's get started. He created his channel since December 27, 2011. He has 780,000 subscribers. Until now, total uploaded 564 videos. And now let's go over Tom Pemberton Farm Life channel analytics. This is statistics views for Tom Pemberton Farm Life channel. Daily views, 77,700 views. Weekly views, 544,000 views. Monthly views, 2,331,000 views. Total views, 194,059,000 views. Next, videos performance on Tom Pemberton Farm Life channel. This is the latest videos for Tom Pemberton Farm Life channel. This video has gotten 102,000 views and 120,000 views. The estimated income Tom Pemberton Farm Life with the latest videos, $408 and $480 since published on YouTube. And this is the most popular video for Tom Pemberton Farm Life channel. This video has gotten 8,600,000 views since published on YouTube. The estimated income Tom Pemberton Farm Life with the most popular video, $34,400 since published on YouTube. Now, how much Tom Pemberton Farm Life makes money on YouTube 2023. And this is the estimated income for Tom Pemberton Farm Life channel. Estimated monthly earnings, $9,300. Estimated yearly earnings, $119,000. And the estimated all-time revenue Tom Pemberton Farm Life channel, $776,236.